It's trading time and I am ready to send signals to you. First of all, I will have to notify you the CET, candle expiry time. If I tell you the CET, we are setting it at 15 seconds. You'll come here to set your candles. That's where you'll come and click it there. And click this part there. So it will bring you here. So if it's time, you'll have to click there and it will give you time. We have 1 minute, 30 seconds, 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds. So if I tell you that we are setting our candles at 15 seconds, CET, candle expiry time, you'll have to click here. You'll have to click here, the 15 seconds. So it will bring you here. It will bring you here. Like now, this one, it is on 1 minute. When you see this one here, it is on 1 minute. It means that this candle here, it takes 1 minute to go to the next candle. Each and every candle is 1 minute. Each and every candle is 1 minute. So now if I tell you that we need to set it to 15 seconds, just make sure that you come here and click this part. Click that part, it will bring you here. Then you'll have to click there. That's where you'll click and you'll have to set your candles at 15 seconds like that. Now this candle will take 15 seconds to expire. When you see here, those are 15 seconds. It means that this one candle here, it takes 15 seconds to expire, like to go to the next candle, that is. Like here now we have remaining 1 second, it has gone to the next candle. This candle will take 15 seconds to go to the next candle. So if I tell you that we have to set our CET at 15 seconds, make sure you set at 15 seconds. Now the TET, that is trading expiry time. If I tell you that set your trading expiry time at 1 minute, this is where I expect you to come here. You'll come and click there. When you click, it will bring various time here, like you have 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 1 minute. So you'll just come and click 1 minute, and it will give you 1 minute there. If it's trade amount, if I tell you that you have to set your trading amount at $1 or $2, you'll just come and click there and set your, for example, if I click, I'll set at $5, $10, whichever the amount I shall be telling you to set. I hope from there I am clear.